Eddie from Native Hustle Workshop with an update on the Xtreme Power Auger. Yesterday I did the video on the unboxing. Today I'm actually going to show you the auger in action. I went ahead and attached the auger, started off running. First time using it, so I got to run it for about a couple of minutes on low speed, and then I can go ahead and increase the RPM and then actually start working it. So I think we're almost ready. Also, I added the extension, the shaft extension, to go ahead and make it longer, so that when I get down deeper, it's more easier on my back. Alright, so here we go. Down there, I can feel it. As you can see, that's a piece of the root. And that tree over there is what's shooting that root all the way over here. Dark in there, you can't really see it, but basically now all you just got to do is scrape away the surface dirt that you see here, and then do a measurement. Where's my stick? What I did, I made this little gauge to check for depth, and the first mark is 24 inches, second mark is 27, third is 30. And the reason I did 3 is because I like to go at least the minimum 24, but I go deeper at 27. And if I get my 27 to the ground level, I throw in some crushed stone at the very bottom of the base of the 4x4 post. It helps with drainage. And then once I put that in there and I tamp it down a little bit, I should be at my 24. And so if I had to guess, right there, I'm about, let me see, it's almost about 27. So that's probably good right there, because once I pull this dirt away right here, and I can actually look at it and see how flush I am to the ground level, and I add another 1.5 inches of gravel, it'll bring me to my 24. And that took probably what, 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes to dig the hole, versus using the manual post hole digger. Then you'd be here standing, pulling away, the dirt. But so we got 6 more holes to do. Well, actually 5 more. because the last one's going to be up against a concrete wall, and we're going to use the manual post hole digger for that one. But the rest of this is going to be the same thing. Yep. We're lined up pretty good, so well, all I can say is that it did a good job, and I think me putting this extension on here helped a lot too, because if not, what would happen is that this would bottom out and you'd be hitting the dirt and it would jam up all year and get this all nasty. So by putting this little extension on there was much better. And I think what I'm going to do next is put like a piece of tape right here, which is also would be my 27 mark. So that way when I see this level and flush with the ground, then I know it's time to go ahead and clear out the hole by just running it at low speed and just lifting it out so all the dirt comes out. But that looks pretty good. I like it. Well, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so for up and coming videos. Alright guys, thanks.